Good afternoon. I'm Mr. Simons or Coach Simons, whatever you would like to call me. A little bit about myself. I am married. I have a lovely wife named Chandler Simons. She is also a teacher. She teaches at Etowah High School and coaches softball there. I have a 18-month-old. His name is Emmett, as you can see in the picture. I had my undergrad and my master's and my specialist degree, which I am currently in, all done at Kennesaw State University. So go Owls, hooty hoo. I love baseball. I coach baseball. I love the outdoors. And this is my 5th year teaching. I'm in my 5th year teaching and 1st year at Lassiter. So that is a little bit about myself. You need to be prepared to tell me what year it is for me teaching, what sport do I coach, and where did I attend college. Those 3 things. Have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you Monday.